This is a Rubik's Cube, and it's supposed to improve your focus. Yeah, I could use that. So I'm aiming for a 60-second solve in 5 days, even though I've never solved a cube before. And ChatGPT will be my only teacher. I set 4 milestones. Day 1. Easy, right? You just follow instructions. Except, I'm more of a visual learner.
Don't know what any of these mean. What? I'm so confused. R is right face, not turning to the right. I can do this. Just follow instructions. Just keep doing it. Keep doing it. Okay, I can do this.
And when I thought I made progress, I made sure to celebrate.
Okay, I have it so far. Look. Did I do it? Yes, I did it.
But I make mistakes. Plus, ChatGPT sometimes hallucinates. Based on this, I've completed step 3. Yes or no?
Based on these photos, you have completed step 3. Oh no. Nope. Oh no. What did I do? Oh no. No. I think I need to start again. No. Oh no, I think I have to do it again. Oh. Okay, I think I'm just gonna start from the top. Make sure I do it all right.
After 5 hours on the first day, I actually didn't end up solving it. Day 2.
I think I messed up the first time. Match is the center, is perfect. So I'm gonna put that at the back. Okay? Now I'm just gonna need to run the algorithm. Okay, this might be it. Run the algorithm. Punch back. Okay. F2. 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 L. L. R. R. U. U. You can do it. U. F2.
That took me 7 hours to understand a method. Watching a 30-minute video or even just referencing a photo would have been so much faster, at least for me, because of the visuals. Where ChatGPT would have probably excelled at is only if I asked it specific questions around the mechanics of the cube. Next is to officially time myself and solve with notes. Day 3.
Go. Oh no. Oh no.
It's so cool to time yourself. Okay, next step is to somehow memorize all of those steps in algorithms.
Alright, this is without notes. No.
At this point, I skipped the yellow daisy and went straight to white cross. I haven't memorized anything since I was in school, so this was great brain practice.
U, towards me, F2, against me, U.
6 minutes and 28 seconds is not bad at all, but I only have 1 day to get it down to 1 minute. Right now, it's taking me 2 minutes to solve the white face alone.
Oilers. St. Patty's Day. Christmas. And France.
Obviously, the only reason I'm at 6 minutes right now and not 60 seconds is because of the Rubik's Cube. So I bought a new one. Seriously though, I hope it helps to improve my turn speed. Now, can I solve it in under 60 seconds? Day 5. And since it took me 8 restarts just to get to my first solve, I decided I'd give myself 8 attempts on camera to see if I could reach my goal.
Oh no, it's my worst so far. Oh my gosh, my time keeps getting worse and worse.
I only have 1 attempt left.
Okay, let me just inspect this for a second. Ready, set, go. I got 152!
I don't know why I was so happy when I wasn't even close to my goal. And it's not ChatGPT's fault. I could have worked harder. Having said that, I'm still proud of my improvement. And absolute focus is critical, especially if you're trying to solve it fast.